Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to activate Facebook Marketplace on your account. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and log into your account. Once you're on the home screen, look for the Marketplace icon. On most devices, you will find it at the bottom of the screen or at the top near the menu options. If you don't see the Marketplace icon there, tap the menu icon. It looks like 3 horizontal lines. This will take you to the main menu. Now, scroll through the Shortcuts section. If Marketplace is not listed, scroll further down and tap the option that says See More. This will expand the list of Facebook features. Look for Marketplace in that list and tap on it. Once you open it from there, Marketplace will automatically be added to your shortcuts. You should now be able to access it more easily from the home screen. If Marketplace still doesn't appear, it may be because of your account age. Facebook Marketplace is only available to users who are 18 years or older. To check or update your birthday, go back to the menu. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Then select Settings. Next, tap on Account Center. From there, go to Personal Details. Under that, look for the Birthday section. Make sure your date of birth shows that you are over 18 years old. If it's incorrect, update it. If you are using an iPhone and still don't see the Marketplace option, try this. Open your phone settings. Scroll down and tap on General. Then tap on iPhone Storage. Wait for the list of apps to load. Now, find Facebook in the list and tap on it. Then tap Offload App. Confirm the action. This will remove the app but keep all your data. After that, go to the App Store and reinstall the Facebook app. This can help refresh app features and sometimes make Marketplace appear. Also, make sure your Facebook app is updated to the latest version. Open the App Store or the Play Store, search for Facebook, and check if there's an update button. If you see it, tap on it. Updating the app can fix bugs and restore missing features like Marketplace. Once you complete all these steps, open the Facebook app again. If you now see the Marketplace icon, tap on it and follow any on-screen steps to start using it. If it still doesn't show, your account might be restricted or under review. In that case, wait a few days and check again. Or contact Facebook support for help. Thanks for watching.